Oh, man.
Yuck has done it again. I've upgraded the board, upgraded the deck, upgraded the deck. Funeral. Yo, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm a super fan of y'all's decks, bro. This shit is a fucking life changer. Yo, bro, I'm a fan. Yo, all day. New fucking funeral company deck with the dynamic trucks and the Blackriver cruisers. The Blackriver cruisers. This fucking funeral deck, bro. My fucking gosh. Good shit. Get down to fucking Yuck Skate Shop this Saturday for a fucking fingerboard event, bro. It's gonna be live as always. Get it. We up here. Boom.